Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so earlier this week I went out and did something. I bought the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I was so excited to get this because ever since it came out I have been trying to get my hands on it. So what I decided to do was, even before I got the palette, and just every day, I'm on Instagram and stuff like that. I had been inspired for a few weeks to do a sunset or a red eye look anyway. So just keep watching and I'll show you how to recreate this look. So I am going to do a sunset I'm going to do a what? I'm going to do a sunset cut crease. Yeah. I'm going to grab my Morphe M503 brush, and it just looks like this. I don't know all the shades 100% off the top of my head, but I'm just going to put them on the screen. I'm going to dip into this red right here. And I'm gonna first just pack it onto my outer corner right here. And then kind of flick it inward. I'm now going to take this bright orange shade right here. And I'm just trying to blend those two together just for a better transition between the two. And there's not such a blunt line where those two meet and where I place them on the eye. I'm going to go back in with that red again just to add some more intensity and help blend it in a bit more with this orange. And then blend it in like that. So it'll be easier blend for the next color that we're gonna do. And go into a little bit of this yellow color, which I know is called B. But I'm just gonna take that same MAC Painterly paint pot on my flat top brush, elf brush, and cut my crease. I'm just going to take my Morphe M504 fluffy brush, blending brush again, and dip into the red shade, and I'm just going to blend that into the cut crease I just made. Dip into this really pretty purpley color right here. So I'm just gonna take it on my finger actually. So after I did that on both eyes, I'm gonna go back under and recreate the same thing underneath. So now I'm just gonna go back through with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop 24-hour concealer, and I'm going to take this flat top eyeliner brush again from e.l.f. and I'm gonna go back up under and clean underneath just to get like a more snatched, I guess you could say, look. I'm just gonna take that and pull it down. So I went ahead and did my liner off camera. I did my lashes. I touched up my brows a bit as well. and I went ahead and highlighted and set my face. So the only thing else that I also did was just for the inner corner, I did the really icy blue glittery color in the palette, and then I put ring light on my brown bone. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put on a lip, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it was, you know, pretty easy to follow along, you know, pretty simple. Like I said, I just got the palette, so I'm gonna be playing around a lot more with it, creating a lot more looks, and I will be sure to be back with another video for you guys with that. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like down below. Also, if you missed my last video, I will leave a link for you guys to watch that video, or if I don't leave it here, it'll be down in the description below, so check the description. Also, for anything that I left out in the video, any products or any names of anything, I will also link that down in the description, the price point, so if you want to go out and buy those same things as well, I will also list that for you guys so you can go pick that up as well and recreate this look a little bit easier by using the same tools that I use. So again, if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment, please. Let me know what you think about the look, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.